In this captivating home tour video, the host shares the remarkable transformation of a budget apartment into a luxurious haven. Over the years, the host has garnered compliments for their ability to make budget decor look expensive. Despite financial constraints, they've enjoyed the challenge of using clever hacks and available resources to enhance their home's aesthetic. Teaming up with Lottoland, the host presents simple and cost-effective ideas to elevate any home and add a touch of luxury without breaking the bank. Subscribe now and catch the entire video for a full understanding. Transforming floors. The video begins by addressing common challenges with apartment floors. Often, new residents are faced with less than ideal flooring options like cheap laminate, worn-out carpets, or outdated tiles. Replacing these floors can be prohibitively expensive. Instead, the host suggests using large rugs to cover imperfections and introduce desired tones and textures. Large rugs, while an investment, are far more affordable than new flooring and can completely transform the look and feel of a room. Makeovers with vinyl stickers. Next, the focus shifts to vinyl stickers as an ingenious solution for affordable makeovers. These versatile stickers come in a variety of patterns and textures, making them easy to apply and remove when desired. Whether updating countertops, splashbacks, or bathroom floors, vinyl peel and stick options offer the illusion of luxury without the hefty price tag. With countless designs available, they allow homeowners to personalize their space and add personality without breaking the bank. Statement lighting. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the ambiance of a room. In this section, the video emphasizes the impact of statement lampshades in elevating any space. Larger lampshade options are recommended for maximum impact, but it's crucial to consider the room's size and ceiling height to maintain proportionality and avoid obstructing views. To make these lighting upgrades even more budget-friendly, the video suggests exploring DIY options using unconventional materials like upturned baskets for a unique and personalized touch. Walls with paneling. Wall paneling is presented as a timeless and regal design choice that adds class to any room. By exploring creative techniques such as beading or using thick wooden slats, homeowners can personalize their space and create a bespoke look. Whether painting the paneling or blending it with the wall color, this DIY-friendly project offers endless possibilities for customization and can be a cost-effective way to elevate the overall aesthetic of a room. Creating height with floor-to-ceiling curtains, window treatments can significantly impact the perceived height and grandeur of a room. Hanging curtains closer to the ceiling, rather than just above the window, creates the illusion of extra height and space, making even small windows feel larger. This simple yet effective trick, paired with sheer curtains for a budget-friendly option, adds a touch of elegance and sophistication to any room without the need for costly renovations. Handles and hardware. Small details like handles and hardware can make a significant difference in the overall appearance of furniture and cabinets. By swapping out outdated or cheap-looking handles with stylish and elegant options, homeowners can instantly elevate the look of their space. Even budget furniture items can be transformed into high-end pieces with the right hardware, offering a cost-effective way to refresh and update the home's aesthetic. Secondhand shops. Secondhand shops offer a treasure trove of unique and affordable decor items that can add character and personality to any home. From vintage vases and lamps to ceramics and candle holders, these shops often have hidden gems waiting to be discovered. With a bit of creativity and resourcefulness, these items can be repurposed or refurbished to create one-of-a-kind pieces that add charm and sophistication to the home. Layering textures for opulence. Layering textures is presented as a key technique for adding opulence and depth to any space. By combining different fabrics and materials, homeowners can create a rich and luxurious look that feels inviting and comfortable. Whether layering throws and cushions on a sofa or incorporating multiple textures in bedding and table decor, thoughtful layering adds visual interest and warmth to the home's aesthetic. Staining wood. Basic wooden furniture and decor items can be given a sophisticated and expensive-looking makeover with the right wood stain. By choosing deeper-toned varnishes, homeowners can transform light woods into rich, antique-looking pieces that exude elegance and style. This budget-friendly technique offers a cost-effective way to upgrade furniture and decor items, adding a touch of luxury to any room. Playing with height using plants and floral arrangements are presented as essential elements for softening the lines of a space and adding visual interest. By playing with the height of plants and floral arrangements, homeowners can create a sense of grandeur and elegance. Tall plants or elevated planters can add drama and sophistication to any room, making it feel more inviting and luxurious without the need for expensive decor items. DIY wall art. Large-scale wall art is highlighted as a key element for elevating the overall aesthetic of a space. Instead of investing in costly artwork, homeowners can create their own DIY pieces using simple materials and techniques. Whether crafting abstract paintings on large canvases or creating textured wall hangings using rugs or throws, DIY wall art adds a personal touch and transforms the home into a gallery-like space. In the closing moments, the video offers a brief recap of the transformative journey, showcasing different areas of the apartment that underwent significant changes. The audience is encouraged to apply these budget-friendly decor ideas in their own homes, with a call to action for likes, shares, and subscriptions for more inspiring content. Through creative and cost-effective solutions, homeowners can achieve a high-end look without breaking the bank, turning their budget apartments into luxurious retreats that reflect their style and personality. Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. That way, you'll be the first to know when I post new videos. Thanks again for your support.